Hey guys, it's me Itszaya, and today I'm showing you how to draw a balloon because some of you idiots just don't know how to draw a balloon. So first step is getting your pen, of course, because what else are you going to actually use? Then we're going to draw a circle-like shape, something like a circle that someone kicks in the inside. That type shape, guys, that type shape. If you all got good eyes, you'll see I left a little gap. I left that gap on purpose because you can do a really, really tiny circle right there. You see that? That's the knot of the balloon. Then you're going to do a tiny triangle right at the end. That is when you blew into the hole of the balloon. And that's the knot. Now, of course, draw the string. And that's your balloon done. And yeah, I added a bit more detail when none of you guys was looking because why not?